Hey guys, so just a couple popular credit cards that are, some of them are metal, some of them are not pure metal. I just want to kind of clear it up for you. A lot of people have been saying this new Wells Fargo Propel card is actually metal when it's not. It's just like a thicker plastic. And I wanted to kind of show you from the top angle like this. So start from the Amex Platinum, from that side. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a definite, let me see, zoom in. There's basically what it is, it's metal sandwiched between two pieces of like clear plastic. So it's a thinner metal. It's pretty heavy, but it's not, I wouldn't say it's overly heavy or anything like that, but the Amex Platinum is definitely the heavier card of all four of these. Then the Chase Sapphire Preferred and Reserve cards, they have also the same concept as Amex is using, where they're using a piece of thin metal sandwiched between like two pieces of plastic. Then moving on to the Apple card, this one is actually, in my opinion, the nicest metal card you can have, because it's actually full, it seems like I believe it's titanium or metal or something like that, and they don't even have any, it's actually etched, like all the digits and the Apple logo is etched into the metal. So in my opinion, it's actually far superior to any other metal card available. Their Propel card is nothing more than just a thicker piece of plastic. It is a little bit heavier than your traditional plastic credit card, but nothing like substantial. So there's a lot of people saying it's metal. Well, it's not. It's definitely not metal, but it does have a better feel to it. So I just want to kind of do a quick drop test. I did the drop test for all these already, you can see in the video, but I wanted to do one for the Propel card for you guys. So just real quick.